I be, boy, I got 300 on your ass. You got them right. Look at that. I don't know. I be making their ass light, red light, everything. They need to feel the pressure so they can know. They need to know what the pressure feel like. Who do Samuel Atkins? Who talking about? Y'all see that look here? Boy, that thing. Yeah, man. I know it's been taking a long time, but we've been focusing on quality, y'all. That way when you wash it, it's still there, man. You see that?
Little V-Tech.
See how that look, man? We're working on quality, man. It's gonna be like you done bought it from Nike, you hear me? Matter of fact, I go to the store and print the Nike. Yeah, I got the same thing, man. I'm getting it. I'm finna get it tatted. I'm finna get it bigger in the back. It's gonna be 14 inches this time.
You're gonna get it tatted in the back?
I'm thinking about it. Then I'm gonna put it bigger in the front.
Just put it in the chest, fuck it.
Yeah, that's my boy, y'all.
Hey.
Yeah, so this time in the front, I did a different little design up in the front. Yeah.
Casper didn't want to run their red eye, get some.
There's some shit back there. What? It's probably a shit. It's hard to find them a win. Okay, they want to race. It's something. I'm gonna find them something.
I think we talking about.
I know. Hey, Shane, I got a red eye. A red eye. Do we got Not really. We do got something kind of what is it like a yeah. Which one is this one?
Yeah, it's a race time.
How much?
That whole probably gonna speed.
That's what I was thinking. I
don't like it this way.
You don't like it?
I don't like it. I paid, I said 1 month. 1 month. Yeah, I don't like it. I like me paying by me buying the Metro PCA.
Yeah.
I buy it. You don't want one right when you come back. Give me 800 or 900. I said, no, we'll see what you're looking like. And then we'll try to make it. Yeah, Pro Max.
Who was it with?
All right.
I might need to get that, man. This is my cousin. You know, he said he got the Pro Max. Yeah, I don't know if I need
I got something over there.
Okay, I'm ready for you. We on, let me see, talking here. Let me see, Booster GT made a hit the other day. Oh, the car? Oh, that's what I was asking for the race for you. Yeah, I'm looking for you already.
You want to run him?
Canelo run. He got a Camaro, 2013. He ain't in line. All right, let me see if I can sneak and get me a quesadilla real quick. Boy, I sure want one. Everybody doing good? Anything special happened to anybody today? Let's talk about it, man. Tell me something. Something happened special to somebody. Go on, tell us about it. We want to know. Easton in the tower. Yeah, he in the tower watch. Okay, we still got all these cars back here. Yeah, I think I got time for me to a little quesadilla, man. Ah, that psychotic racing finna do something. Yeah, here he comes. Scott just rolled him up one. Al Tisdale, what's up with it? Man, I even got some lookout shirts in this, camouflage, man. I got some lookout camouflage shirts, man. The deer you gonna be able to deer hunt. You gonna be able to deer hunt in mine, you hear me? Uh-oh, happy birthday to your mama, man. Got that lookout racing on. Look out to my boy in the garage. I said, look out now. I got all kind of lookout gear coming. I'm gonna try to have it here tomorrow, because they said they're gonna finish it up at about 6 when they